ladies and gents, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my wash and go routine using 2 simple steps. I'm going to be using products from the Main Choice Ancient Egyptian line. Hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'm starting off with my hair freshly washed. If you'd like to see my full wash day routine, check out my previous video. First, what I'm doing is distributing the Anti-Breakage and Repair Antidote Leave-In Conditioner from this line throughout the 4 sections in my hair. This stuff literally melts into my hair like it's butter. I love this because most leave-in conditioners just sit on top of my hair. What I love about this leave-in conditioner is the fact that it lubricates my strands while taking away any unwanted knots. This leads to minimal frizz. As always, I work in 4 sections in order for my hair to be evenly coated with product. I know the leave-in conditioner appears white on my hair, but it dries clear, which I love. I love to apply my leave-in conditioner throughout my hair first and let it sit to make sure my hair doesn't flake up once I apply the gel. This method literally gives me no flakes. And now I'm just working on my last big section. After I finish applying my leave-in, I like to let my hair out of the clips in order to let the product soak into my hair. This leads to the product drying clear in my hair. I usually let the leave-in soak into my hair for about 30 minutes. And then when it's done soaking, I usually follow that up by styling my hair with the gel. Off camera, I section my hair back up into my handy dandy 4 sections. What I like to do is take down one section and form an even smaller section and focus on applying the product. I work the product from the end of my hair up in order to distribute and smooth the product evenly. The gel that I'm using today is actually a twisting gel, which is quite funny, but I love using it for a wash and go. It's called the Ancient Egyptian 24 Karat Gold Twisting Gel by the Main Choice. This stuff smells amazing and literally glides right through my hair. This gel helps to mend/restore damaged hair, helps to stimulate hair growth, as well as moisturize and tame frizzy hair. Once I'm finished with applying the gel through my hair, I like to pull on each individual strand to enhance my curls. I even twirl the end of my hair to create a more defined curl. I continue this whole process until I finish my whole entire head. A quick tip is to only apply minimal gel in order to reduce flaking. At this point, my hair is fully dry. However, I don't apply any added water because the gel elongates my curls, which I love. Also, this gel is liquid based, so when using it, it dampens my hair.
Let's go. Yeah. Money fall on you, banana fall on you.
At this point, my hair is done. I like to shake my head in order to clump and form my curls together. I let my hair dry and then sleep on a satin lined pillow to reduce friction to my curls. In the morning, I section my hair into 4 and band my hair in order to stretch it for more volume. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up, comment in the comment section, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share my video as well. Until next time, peace and love always. Bye.
Tell me, baby, how you don't talk to me.